Tree Corps. Today, we are gonna go over, this is 7th grade module 1 warm up, and this is on the back, it's part D. So from the origin, 6 units right and 2 units up, this is the one we reviewed when we talked about how this was our x-axis. That's always listed first. This is our y-axis, that's always listed second. To the right and up are positive, to the left and down are negative. Well done. So from the origin, 3 units left. What did you say our x value was? -3. 5 units up. 5. Positive, right? From the origin, 8 units down. Okay. 8 units down is going to be our x or our y value? Our y. So is that positive or -8? -8, and that's our y. And then 9 units right. Positive 9 for x.
Wouldn't that just be just 9?
Yes. Yep, you can write positive 9 just as 9, or you can write +9. Either way would be okay. Go ahead. 12 units down. So again, this is negative what in our y spot? And 1 unit left. -1. So -1, -12. From Jack's house, he walks 4 blocks east. Well, let's change this so it says never eat soggy waffles or never eat shredded wheat. I don't know. If he walks 4 blocks east, that's positive, right? 3, then 3 blocks south. Is that positive or negative? Negative. What did I do wrong? I put the wrong number here, didn't I? 4 blocks east would be +4, not +3. So we should have 4, -3. Okay. Can we make our way around the coordinate plane okay? Hopefully.
Yeah.
All right. I do want you to have your packets out. Today, we are gonna be sure it is complete, which I believe we finished on Friday. So it should be complete, but I do want you to have it out because we are going to do some review. Yes, I do have a review. No. That's not it.
I like
I'm always like overly prepared and then I'm like, wait, where did we go? Maybe I don't have it for alright. I don't think this is it.
Yeah.
So. This is quiz review part 1. That's not what we want, is it? Maybe this isn't it. No, this isn't it. This isn't it. Let's figure it out. All right. If our quiz is tomorrow, we do want to use our time wisely today. Meaning we're going to try out all of these problems. We're going to look in our notes, in our packet to see where did we do a problem like this? What could I refer back to? Right? So go through this. It is front and back. There's only 7 questions on the review. I believe there's like 12 on the quiz, but they're similar to these. Okay?
We use this on the test.
You can use the review on the test, absolutely. And remember in times past, when you turn it in with the test, I often give you extra credit. So keep that in mind. complete this. Use it, use your packet, make sure your packet's complete. If your packet's not complete, or you don't have a packet, get another packet, spend some time going through the videos, reviewing. All right, so we're gonna go over this at the end of the hour today. But you should be practicing it. We should be at a level 0 practicing. Use your packet, and no, you may not work with other people because you cannot work with other people on your quiz.
How about,
You may use a calculator.
how about zero?
I have been teaching substitute teaching since I was 19.
You don't look 40.
I'm 36.
Oh, almost 40. You're close.
Close. All right, Tyler paid $87.50 for 7 pizzas. How much would it cost to buy 2 pizzas at the same rate? Well, how do we figure out what the rate is? We're gonna find our unit price, right? So we're gonna take our total and divide by what? How many pizzas? Not 2.
7. Divide by
7
7. And then
pizzas.
times it by 2.
And then times it by 2.
And then the total.
And look, you know how we've been looking at wanting to cancel off our labels?
Yeah.
This will help us. All right, so I'm going to put in my calculator, 87.5, which is 87.50, divided by 7 pizzas.
Equals
Equals.
12.5.
So $12.50 per
Pizza.
pizza, and if we multiply that by
You get 25.
2 pizzas,
You get 25.
it's $25. Make sure you label it. Remember, I'm very kind and often give you extra points for labeling.
I
No
couldn't get the
plan.
answers.
Well, that was a waste of our time.
Yeah.
All right, so 2A and B, there's lots of different ways you can look at this. I would, solve. I would change this maybe into a unit rate. So what is 40 divided by 12? 40 divided by 12 is actually 3.3 repeating. So that's actually 3 1/3. So 15 divided by something equals that. If 15 divided by something equals that, then y times that equals 15, which means I can divide 15 by that. So what I would do in my calculator, once I have this, I would do 15 divided by the answer. Do you know how to do that in your calculator?
Totally.
So I would leave my answer there. You see how it's there? And then I'm gonna type in 15. So I'm typing 1, 5, hitting the divided by,
A million.
and then answer. Where is it? Next. Oh, yes, thank you. I was looking in the yellow letters. And then your answer is right here on the bottom. 15 divided by 3 1/3 is 4 1/2. So 4.5. So that's how we would find what the bottom would equal. If it was the other way, it would be the same thing if it was 40 divided by 12. If it was on the right of it. Do you see that? If our y is on the bottom, listen carefully. If what we need to know is on the bottom, we're going to find our unit rate, right? Our constant of proportionality. And then we're gonna take whatever is on the top and divide it by that answer. Do you wanna write that out, or do we see that? We're okay?
I have
Okay.
a question.
Yes.
Was I annoying because I am?
I don't know, Tanner, we don't have time to discuss this. All right, now, here, we're gonna find this unit, right? 16 divided by 120. So I'm clearing, and I have 16 divided by 120. Oops.
0.13.
All right, so this is 0.13, and the 3 is repeating, right? Not the 1, 3. And then this equals J divided by 15. So whatever J is, if we divide that by 15, we get this. You should probably be writing and taking vigorous notes right now if you don't get this. I'm showing you how to do one when the unknown's on the bottom and one when the unknown's on the top. So this time, we're taking our answer and timesing it by 15. And this gives us J. So here our answer was 4.5. So I'm gonna I can leave it like this and say times 15
Equals a million.
equals 2. Isn't that nice?
Totally.
Isn't it nice that we get to use our calculators? Yeah. So when it's on the bottom, we're gonna find it and take what is on top of our unknown divided by the answer. So on top of unknown divided by the K, essentially, right? Constant of proportionality. And here, we're going to take K times what is below unknown. That's what we did here. You see what we did do you know how to find K? We take what we know. If we have a ratio that we know, we have Y divided by X, then that's K. This is K. This is K. You should be able, and this is K. All right. Do the following equations show a proportional relationship? Circle yes or no. If the answer is yes, find the constant of proportionality. A, yes or no? Yes. Because remember, our equation is y equals kx. So what is k? What's in front of my x? 6. Is this proportional? No, it is not. We cannot add anything. Is C proportional? Why not? Yes. What is K here? What's in front of the X? 3/4. You. I don't have enough room to write my answer. I write really little. All right. How about D?
Yes.
I guess. It would be negative 1/5, right? What's in front of X? What's Y?
No.
This is the same thing as KX equals Y, right? So can I just read? Yes, so yes. And what is K? What's in front of the X? Negative 2. How about F? No, it's not proportional, so there is no K. Anytime we add something to it, like an added B, it's a no. A painter can paint 200 square feet per hour. He charges 45 cents per square foot. How much will she charge per hour?
$90.
All right, so 200. No, this is not dollars. This is 200 square feet.
How'd you do?
200 square feet per hour. So how can I set this up where I am getting rid of square feet? Can I flip this around? Let's flip that. So that I have for 1 hour, I can do 200 square feet. And I know, oh wait, no, don't flip it. Yes, good. So I have dollars,
It's 90.
45 cents per square foot. I don't need to flip it because I'm already canceling it out, right? And I want money per hour. Is the hour on the bottom? Yeah, that's where we want it. So 200 times 45 cents,
It's 90.
good. $90. Make sure you answer it. $90 per hour. If she works 3.5 hours, how much
3:15.
does she charge? So we'll multiply 90 by 3.5. Good. 90 times 3.5. This is hours. This is 90 per hour. Hours canceled out. So you have $315. Write an equation in the form y equals kx to represent each equation. So y equals 10 times x, right? Can I jump right to say this? $10 an hour, so 10 times an hour is what he makes. Well, Susan actually makes $24 in 2 hours. So x is 2, we need to know what k is. So remember, y divided by x equals k. So 24 divided by 2 is what?
12.
Yep, so we have to know what these are. 12. So now we have to write y equals 12x. She's getting paid how much per hour? $12 per hour. Crazy, crazy.
That is not a lot of money.
So one, we actually had to find out K. Here they told us a rate, so we put that rate in here. Does that make sense? All right, we're gonna fly through these last two real quick. 6, does this graph show a proportional relationship? Absolutely. If yes, what is the constant proportionality? So remember right here at the point 1 something, what does y equal when x equals 1?
Yeah.
12. How much does 0 tickets cost? What's 16 plus 4? $20. How much does 1 ticket cost? $22. How much does the cost increase for each ticket purchase? Looks like it's just going up $2, right?
Yeah.
Is this a proportional relationship? No. It doesn't start at 0, 0. For it. Have a fantastic Monday.